This is how it looks. So good. But this hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Really pretty. How cute. Love this. Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. As you guys saw, I did put some foundation on the lace that was left out just to blend it a little bit more. So let's just check the lace. This is how it looks. So good. Looks really natural. And then this is the parting space. I just have to repart it. Really, really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to wet this. Look how pretty this is. I'm gonna just wet it. The hair is really soft. Y'all know this unit can be worn glueless. You can use the spray, you can use glue, you can use the tape. I sprayed mine down. Y'all know I use the Kiss hairspray. Look how pretty. Love, love, love. It's very, very, very soft. So let's see, because y'all know I said that I wanted to try to wear the side part. So let's see. Usually with my curly hair, I would do a flip over, but we're gonna see how pretty it looks with a side part. But let me just show y'all the parting space in the middle. Since it does have the stocking cap on the lace, just to give you a more realistic scalp. So that's the parting space that we have. So we love that. And it blends in well. You probably can see a little bit of where it stops right here. Y'all can see that, but still look how good that looks. It looks really good. So let's do a side part. Let's see. And just see if I like the way that that looks. But y'all know with the curly hair, y'all can style this any way that you want to, and it'll still look cute. Now with the side part, you can't go as deep because there is a track right here, but in the middle, you can go a little deeper, but I want it to be, I want the part to be on the side. I'll brush this out. I love how soft this hair is too. It's really pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna just put some conditioner on it. This isn't a leave-in conditioner. This is by Texture Crush. It smells so good. But I'm gonna just put a little bit of this on the hair along with some water. So I just rub it in like this and just, and this will also define the curls for you. And I'm gonna just wet it just so you guys can see how gorgeous the curls look. So this is how it looks with the side part, really cute. And this is where it falls on me. I didn't do the back yet, but this is where it falls on me. Really cute. And then we'll do the flip over. which is my favorite way to wear my curly hair. It's super pretty. Here's a close-up of the curls. Really nice. So I guess I don't really have to part it to get the look that I want, because y'all know this is how I usually wear my curly hair anyway, but this hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Really pretty. How cute. Love this. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box.